Rebecca, and today I've made Minecraft Steve. With the moving head, moving arm with the diamond sword, moving legs. So yeah, it's pretty hard to get the moving stuff. So yeah. So this looks like more than 100 bricks. It's one of my heaviest builds I've done. I was starting to build one here, but no, it's fell down. So yeah, it's my Minecraft Steve, and my name's Kamaka. Please subscribe, like, yeah. Bye.